When evolutionary biologists use the term primitive and advanced to refer to adaptations, what we mean is that primitive adaptations arose earlier in time than advanced ones. In other words, the advanced adaptations are more derived in form from the ancestral state than the primitive ones are. Advanced, therefore, isn't a judgment about how good an adaptation is. So, all of the living descendants of primitive organisms are in a sense equally evolved, regardless of whether or not they have certain more advanced or derived adaptations. Again, evolution in higher organisms generally creates a pattern like a continuously growing tree, not at all like a ladder. The origin of chordates in most of the major animal phyla seems to lie in the evolution of segmentation. This seems to be one of the major triggers for the Cambrian explosion and is a common theme throughout evolution. Segmentation in animals is caused by repeated copies of Hox genes. The order of these genes on a chromosome determines the order of parts on a body from head to tail. Identical copies of a Hox gene will produce identical segments, like we see in the segmented worms. But as these genes diverge, segments are able to differentiate, forming new parts. We have evidence